One of the biggest reasons learners struggle with roundabouts is judging the gap. Some pupils pull out too early, others wait forever. So how do we teach them to recognise a safe gap? Well, one of the most effective ways is to think of a roundabout like a clock face. So use the clock method. Imagine the roundabout as a clock. Your car is approaching at the 6 o'clock position. Traffic on the roundabout moves clockwise. There are exceptions to that, so be aware. Now here's the important teaching point. The area between 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock is what many instructors call the danger zone. If a vehicle is in that area, it's likely to reach your position very quickly, which means it's not safe to go. So you need to read the vehicle. What do we mean? Well, you need to help the pupil read what the other vehicle is doing. Is the vehicle hugging the roundabout? Is he facing towards you? If it's tight to the roundabout, he's probably coming all the way round. If he's kind of still facing straight ahead or moving away from the roundabout, chances are he's exiting it. Another clue is the front wheels. If the wheels are turned slightly, the driver is coming round towards you. These small observations can give pupils valuable clues.